All right, Pink Posse.
It's finally here.
Get ready!
The trailer for P-Valley starts in
3, 2,
1.
Ooh, let's go, y'all.
Make sure you roll up your windows. You don't want to get wet.
Keep your hands on the wheel. Cause Uncle Clifford's girl finna take you down to the valley, child.
The governor of Mississippi has just announced that lockdown will end next week.
Ooh, you ready for that grand reopening? Hey!
You can't throw a rock without hitting 5 businesses that ain't closed down.
all y'all best appreciate what I've been doing these past 5 months. Keep on, and this booty gonna be gone.
So finally, we get to see your last dance, huh?
I'm auditioning for some new girls. Beyonce, Nina, Kelly, and Michelle. The best we had are gone. I ain't no coach. You are, actually. I suggest you follow my lead.
Effa, I want you to remember how you even got in a position to buy this club.
Oh, y'all thought the Pink had done her last dance. But this a whole new day, a whole new Pink.
I ain't coming down on that booty. You can't stand. We all need a little hell in our lives. It makes you appreciate the life.
I'm a classy.
Even classy to be finessed.
Ain't no use in being the richest in the graveyard.
Paint the walls red. Bloodstains always bleed back through.